Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial episode, I'm gonna walk you through how to view someone's TikTok secretly or how you can view someone else's TikTok without them knowing. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you've not yet, press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Tap open your TikTok application and sign into your account, if necessary. Previously on TikTok, there was a feature that would let you know who visited and viewed your content, but with its latest updates, TikTok no longer shows users who visit your profiles. If you go to your profile, by tapping on Me button, at the bottom right, you'll only be able to see the number of views that you received. The number of views will be located at the bottom right of your video preview. So, TikTok basically provides you with a number of views, but not specifically who is watching your content. So, you can simply go ahead and watch all the content you want on TikTok without letting the person know that you have been through their profile or their contents. But if you want to let them know that you've been interacting with their profile recently, then simply give their content a like or leave a comment on their videos. That was some of the information on how you can view someone else's TikTok secretly or without letting them know. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.